Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing essential access. Sign into Phantombuster, connect the platform you'll scrape, and install your API key and session cookie so requests authenticate. Once done, choose a small test target list and apply filters for industry, role, and location to avoid noise. Make sure to limit the first run to a few hundred profiles. This prevents blocks and shows you real outputs. Then trigger a single profile scrape to confirm credentials, data fields, and rate behavior before scaling up. Next, you construct the workflow that turns raw profiles into usable leads. Choose the appropriate phantom for your source, then chain tasks, export search results, deduplicate records, enrich contacts with an email finder, and send final CSV to cloud storage. Once set up, adjust concurrency and schedule runs to mimic human timing and reduce block risk. Make sure to add retries and log monitoring so you catch failures. Check outputs after the first full run and refine selectors or timeouts as needed. Finish by validating and exporting your cleaned lead list. Inspect columns, normalize job titles, and remove duplicates so CRM imports smoothly. Then map fields into your outreach tool and trigger tailored sequences with proper personalization tokens. If something goes wrong, like rate limits or missing data, first reduce concurrency, rotate session cookies or accounts, and run a small test after a 24 to 72-hour pause. As a last step, review and update CSS/XPath selectors. Changes on the source site often break scrapers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.